Everybody, Justin here, Prosperity Prospecting. So today I'm going to be doing a mix of my brokerage and getting some mining stuff done. So we're going to take these two buttons. This one here came from what we're hoping is gold bearing crushed ore and processed. And then this is the white material that we're not still exactly sure what it is. We're going to take the new oven that we had to get because the other one went bad on us. We're going to take that and we're going to capel those, and I'll let you guys see the result. But I will warn you, sometimes there's nothing left, and you've got all this time processing this, you got all this time smelting this, got all this time capeling this. Sometimes it's nothing. Sometimes it's a small, tiny little button. Matter of fact, a lot of times. But it gives us good information, good data, so that when we're in the field, we know what to get, what not to get, and how much of that particular material we need to get to actually make measurable amounts of precious metals. So the only thing I can promise you is it will be the truth. I will not fudge it. I never do. It is what it is. So I'll see you guys here shortly. Okay, so we've got the capels out here heating up in the sun for the last hour or so, and the buttons. We have the oven out here and getting ready to fire it up. So I'm going to get the capels in there, get it fired up, and we'll see what results we get. So remember, this is what we're starting with. Pretty big button there. I think that was 75 grams if I remember right. And this one was like 35 grams that we're starting with on that one. So here we go. Okay, so right now we're around the 1,000 degree mark. Let's take a look inside, see what it looks like. Yeah, you can see it's kind of liquidy. I know it's kind of hard to see in there, but hopefully you guys can see that. I'm shaking it just a tad where you can see it moving. So let's just hope that we got a big old button left in the end. I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, everybody, so I pulled them out. We've talked about this a little bit, but you can see, look at how tiny the button is on that big amount of gold bearing material, which that's disappointing, okay? But this bead is much larger, and that was a tiny test. That's that white stuff that I've been talking about that I keep getting out of each and every pan. So that's exciting because I get it in every single pan, and I know it's precious metal. So overall, great result. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one.